Mr. President, thank you very much for welcoming us to State House, Nairobi.
Karibuni sana.
Lively place. We've had some water and some tea. Asante sana. We're going to have about 90 or so minutes of a conversation. And I just want to introduce us. We have 6 media houses present tonight. Okay. My name is Eric Latif from Spice FM and KTN. And my colleagues are going to introduce themselves.
Good evening, Mr. President.
Good evening.
Ayub Abdikadir Abdi, Citizen Television and Royal Media Services by extension. Thank you.
Thank you, Abdi.
Hujambo Rais na hamjambo wa Kenya. Jina langu ni Nancy Okware kutoka kwenye shirika la utangazaji humu nchini KBC.
Hujambo Rais.
Sijambo.
Jina langu ni Daniel Kitu kutoka K24, shirika la Media Max Network Limited.
Thank you, Daniel.
Good evening, Mr. President.
Good evening.
And good evening, Kenyans. My name is Eric Munene from Cape Media, comprising of TV47, Radio 47, and TV47 Digital.
Thank you very much, Eric.
Masalheri, Mheshimiwa Rais na Wakenya hamjambo. Mimi naitwa Lofty Matambo kutoka NTV chini ya shirika la Nation Media Group ambalo pia liko na uchapishaji wa magazeti kadhaa ikiwemo Taifa Leo na The Daily Nation. Asante kwa kutualika.
Karibu sana Lofty. That's a very interesting name.
Asante.
He's representing the lofty eye. Mr. President, you look well. And people who've been commenting, one of the first questions we're told to ask you is, ask the President, what's his exercise regimen? Or is it diet?
Well, I have, I had an original, fit that ran amok the last 1.5 years or 2 years because we went into elections. And when you have elections, you have a lot of pressure. Sometimes you take out the pressure on food. And you have to do this and that, and you don't have time to go exercise. And sometimes you eat because you don't know when you will find the next meal. So sometimes you overeat. So I decided to cut it down because ile kibarua niko naye si kidogo. So you need to be alert. Ndio kazi iweze kusonga.
Asante.